To troubleshoot eToro deposit funds, follow these steps. First, ensure you have completed the verification process, as this is a prerequisite for depositing funds. Log into your eToro account and navigate to the Deposit Funds section. Check the status of your deposit. If it is pending or failed, proceed to the next step. Check the payment method used for depositing funds. Ensure it is valid and has sufficient balance. For example, if you used a credit card, verify that it has not expired and has enough credit limit. If you used a bank transfer, check with your bank to confirm the transaction was successful. Verify that the deposit amount is within the allowed limits. eToro has minimum and maximum deposit limits for each payment method. Check the eToro website for the most up-to-date information on deposit limits. Also, be aware of any applicable fees associated with depositing funds, such as conversion fees for non-USD accounts. If you are still experiencing issues, contact eToro customer support. They are available 24/7 to assist with any deposit-related problems. Provide them with as much information as possible, including the deposit method used, the amount, and any error messages received. This will help them to quickly identify and resolve the issue. Additionally, keep in mind that deposit processing times may vary depending on the payment method used. For example, credit card deposits are usually instant, while bank transfers may take several days to process. By following these steps and being patient, you should be able to successfully troubleshoot eToro deposit funds issues and start trading on the platform.